this shit.
We'll do a little rock and roll for y'all. Everybody wants to. Everybody want rock and roll. Does anybody want to rock and roll? I'm the king of rock. Back again. Back again. I'm the king of rock. Back again. I'm the king of.
You guys, review of some limited edition Twinkies today. Yeah, is that Dollar General shopping around, seeing that they were something new, limited edition, cotton candy Twinkies. So I'm gonna be giving them a shot today, and we'll see what you guys think, huh? Nah, just fucking kidding. That's not what we're doing today. Maybe in another video. Today, I will be trying my dog's dog treats. Let's see how they par up to human taste. First thought is, kind of smells like a pet store. I mean, man, got a smell to it. I got assorted dog treats here, by Bilpo. I don't know if they're for human ingestion, but hey, man, we're gonna give it a shot today. See what you guys think. My first thought is not flavor in this thing. Yeah, it's pretty gross, man. Totally recommend you don't eat dog treats. They're very dry, not palatable. Kind of sticks to your teeth, too. In a way, it's a little gross, but we'll give it a shot. Next, let's try the actual milk bone. Oh, that's worse than the first one. You guys like this? Wow. Yeah, it's real hard to get this down. I don't know if I could swallow it, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. No, man, I'm sweating from it. I really advise that no one eat dog treats. They're really bland. Tastes like I'm eating a hamster cage. You know the smell that hamsters produce? I don't know if you guys have ever had them, like the wood chips. Kind of tastes like I'm eating that smell. Wash it up. Glue my coffee. Okay, now that we got dog treats out of the way, the next item that we're going to review, excuse me because it's already open like everything else, whey protein by 6 Star. Now, I'm not going to mix this into anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a big heaping scoop of protein powder so you guys can see. And I'm gonna eat it raw, not mixing it into anything. So let's give it a shot. Oh, it's like eating sand. Oh, it's gumming up in my mouth. Yeah, oh. It's almost like turning into a gum, like I could chew it. Yeah, I don't recommend anyone else. But something with my mouth. However, worry. Sorry, it's 105 outside. So it's really hot in here. I'm actually filming inside of a trailer right now. Getting a little easier to chew. But I got like a lipstick of protein powder. It's straight up turning into a liquid. Well, it's definitely stuck to my teeth. I have all this gummy protein powder like way in my teeth. It's different. You know, on a 1 out of 10, I'd probably give this a 5. It was the texture alone that killed it. Flavor wasn't bad, but the texture, it's like eating a slimy gum. The second it hits your saliva, it like congeals.